Okay, my friends, I'm gonna continue the hike on foot. So here we go. I have about 7 kilometers to go and about 900 meters in altitude, so don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm gonna give myself a cut-off time around 3:30, I think, just to give me enough time to get back. Do you know, the reality is, if I had tried a little bit harder, maybe I could have got up this part. Yeah, you see, I'm a little bit upset now because literally I had maybe 80 meters in altitude and 100-meter hike, and then we're home free. But man, that was just too hard, that part. I'll have to come back with Martin or something. Anyway, I'm going to try and hike to the top. Oh, I got to take a little rest. One of the challenges as well is coming straight from Chengdu to this altitude. Is like, Chengdu is at like 650 meters above sea, and now I'm 3,900 meters above sea level. Actually, I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, so I think I'm going to take a little 15-minute nap here, at least try anyway. Oh, I managed to get 15 minutes before my alarm went off. Oh. Okay, onwards and upwards. Here we go. Let's continue. Fucking hell, I forgot how steep this was. It's like my knees have stopped working. But still, so far, I think once we got over the hard bit, we could do this with momentum. For sure. I'm struggling now. It's like I take a few steps, my heart rate jumps like fucking 30 BPM or something. I don't know how much longer I can last. And also I think this road now is gone a bit hard again. Might even turn round. I'm not sure. I might go back. I might turn around here, call it a day, and then live to see another day tomorrow. Yeah, you know, instead of wasting my energy and potentially dying on this mountain, I'm gonna head down, sadly. And when I get back to the van, I'm gonna check out some of the other like routes that I can see on the other mountains and stuff, just for future, you know. Oh man, I feel rough now. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna head back down. I don't know how much video I'm gonna make on the way down. Yeah, but yeah, I'll see you maybe later. When I go back down, I might take a look at that road over there, see what it's all about. You know, the frustrating thing is how fast you can go downhill. Really frustrating. And we arrive back at the bike. Nobody's stolen it. Happy days. Nobody's stolen it because there's nobody here. Hey, okay, I'm gonna pack my shit and go back down. In all honesty, it was a good decision to turn around because I'm really starting to feel the altitude now. A lot. Have a quick drink. Yeah, I really got a headache. I have to really concentrate on the way down. Okay. Wish me luck. Actually, it's quite difficult going down. Really quite difficult. It's not as difficult as going up, but still. It's not that fucking easy. You can't stand up on the bike because it's so slippery and steep. You can't physically stand up. So you're like... It's quite difficult to go down. on a trials bike because you're fucking constantly over the front, you know. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now we're cooking on gas. Man, how would I get up here? It's quite impressive. Oh, I don't have the strength for this now. Man, I did pretty well to get up here. It's bloody hard to go down. It's super steep. I don't know how I got up here. Oh, I'm down into nicer pastures now. Fucking hell. My head is still banging, oh. Where the hell am I going? Yeah, I can see my track from this morning. Oh. I can't remember this section. Right. Well, I'm nearly at the bottom now. Nearly back down there. And it's about 4 o'clock. It's good timing, really. Gives me time to chill for a bit before I think I'm gonna go to stay in a hotel tonight. I have my tent and stuff with me, but plus, where I'm riding tomorrow, there's a hot spring hotel right by the... I can book into that hotel. Okay, let's get back down the mountain quick. Anyway, thank you all for watching. See you tomorrow, I guess. Tomorrow I'm going to attempt another snow mountain. Hello, donkey. I'm going to attempt another snow mountain called Yala Sichuan, Yala Snow Mountain. Okay, now. Where do all these cars come from? Just got back to the car. My headache is banging. So, I am gonna... Jesus. Pack my stuff up and get out of here. Oh, thank you for watching.